what problems are you trying to solve? What processes need to be improved? Are there repetitive tasks that you keep performing? Where is your business inefficient? Like when I first took over the general contracting firm that I ran, it was pretty apparent when I walked in and I saw a bunch of papers, being put in binders and passed around, and a bunch of duplicate data entry from one spreadsheet to another. Like it was very clear all of the different areas that we were just extremely inefficient. But I think one of the most valuable things that I did to really understand the needs of the organization was that I sat down with each one of the employees and I shadowed them for a day. I wanted to watch and understand how they were using, whatever tools they were given, whatever their processes were. I wanted to really understand their needs. And so I watched them for a day. I communicated with them. I asked them, like, what are your biggest frustrations? What are the things that are holding you back, that are making you less efficient? Like, if I could remove any one thing, any one bottleneck from your day-to-day process, what would it be? Where do you spend the most time every single day? Starting to ask those questions, having those conversations, watching their workflow really helped me to identify the key areas that we needed to address and that I needed to come up with solutions for to help scale the business.